I've tried so many skincare products, but today I'm going to recap the ones I'm still loving a year later. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I wanted to recap some skin essentials that I tried out last year. I looked back at all of the reviews I did last year and reevaluated what my skincare routine currently looks like. And I wanted to tell you all what products I'm still using and what treatments I feel like are 100% still worth it after a year. I've had a lot more time to reflect on some products. I also want to say, just because I don't mention a product in this video doesn't mean that I don't still love it or that I don't still recommend it. This is just a current list of the ones that I am using and why I am using them. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video. With skincare, I've learned there's so much beauty in simplicity. That's exactly what I experienced with the Beauty of Joseon Radiance Cleansing Balm. I've appreciated it more this summer as the weather's gotten warmer because it is a cleansing balm that, one, personally worked for my acne, two, is very sensitive skin friendly, and three, is super effective. Emulsifies like no other, delivers a beautiful cleansing balm texture to the skin, and just designed for those days where you just feel gross and you're wanting to remove all of the dirt, all of the oil, all of the sunscreen, makeup, whatever you're wearing. That is what this targets and cleanses very effectively in a gentle formula. Leaves no film on the skin either, and it's something that I just find myself wanting to use and falling back on when my skin is feeling sensitized. Experiment Beauty's Plasma Wash is the perfect go-to daily cleanse if you have dry skin, or in my case, I use this product in the warmer months as a refresher cleanse throughout the day. Whether I've been outside working out, I've been sweating a lot, it is record high heat at the moment, and I try not to make a habit of this, but sometimes I just feel like I need to wash my face a little bit more than twice a day, and when I'm doing that, I don't like to go for a more purifying cleanser. That's when I fall back on this product. Perfect winter cleanser for me, but I still have this product on hand for the days where I'm just needing something a little bit more. Like I said, I try not to make a habit of that, but still it is very gentle cleanse, and if I have to wash my face more than twice a day, I will go for this. If you have really dry skin, that's when I'd recommend this product. Prequel's cleanser I tried out a long time ago. This product has been a gel cleanser that is super moisturizing, very skin barrier friendly, and with its high concentration of glycerin has proven to be very deeply hydrating for my skin. I've got some comments saying that this is a little bit more of a purifying cleanse. I found it to be balanced. I fall back on this more in the summer when I'm looking for a balanced cleanse, whether it be during the day or at night. Perfect for my combination skin. It's very well rounded and skin barrier friendly. Also has gotten seals of approval recommended for eczema, rosacea. I don't personally struggle with any of those, but seeing that they got recognized is really telling of how gentle this cleanser is and why it's been a staple in my routine, at least at the moment. I fluctuate on and off of this product, but it is something I fall back on. Prequel also has a cleanser with salicylic acid that is another holy grail for me. I love using this as a gentle active base cleanser. It's super moisturizing, a little bit more moisturizing than the cleanser formula because they added some ingredients to counteract the low 0.5% concentration of salicylic acid in this, making it a really gentle yet effective way to treat acne, breakouts. You can leave it on as a face mask 2 to 3 times a week if you need it. Get the maximum benefits out of it, but I just really love the texture. I really love the hydrating, nourishing ability that it has. It's just such a holy grail cleanser, and I cannot recommend it enough. Cleanser is more ideal for daily use. The cleanser plus salicylic acid, I can use it daily, but sometimes I don't want to use salicylic acid. It can be a little much in high doses, so I alternate between the two depending on what my skin is going through. If I'm more acne prone, I'll go for the cleanser with salicylic acid. Just good to have both of these options. Byoma's Hydrating Milky Toner was a game changer when it was released, and it's held up to this day with great blend of ingredients that I haven't seen in any other milky toner. Also very lightweight, perfect for any season. It's layerable if you are more dry or it's the winter and your skin's more dry. In the summer, I love it as a lightweight hydrating step or an overnight nourishing treatment. I've also recently discovered that oily skin sometimes likes to use milky toners as moisturizers, and I feel like this would be a great lightweight option as that, especially during the day. I don't personally do that, but that's just an option with this product. It is a milky toner. It's more on the lighter weight texture in terms of milky toner, toners, but still has a nice nourishment that provides more long-term benefits the longer you use it. And it's why it's still a staple in my skincare routine. Byoma jam packs their formulas, and that's what this milky toner does best. Bubbles Moonwalk Gentle Exfoliating Treatment is something I fall back on whenever my skin is going through a lot of stress and I'm needing a more gentle way to deliver actives to the face. I like this because it has great acne treating ingredients along with texture and hyperpigmentation, kind of just the all-in-one treatment that has remained in my routine, but I specifically use more in the summer because it is a more gentle approach to delivering these actives to your face. It is a lot of actives when you look at it on paper, but in execution, it is a very gentle formula. I found I was able to use it once a day, every day. Obviously built up by your skin tolerance, and if you experience sensitivity from it, then back off of it a little bit, but it is still a great gentle treatment, specifically more for the warmer months when I am spending more time outside. Don't like to go in with too harsh of actives. The bubble is one I saw great results with and have continued to see great results with without the sensitivity that can come with a product that has this many actives in it. Very moisturizing delivery, and that's what I feel like makes it stand out from others on the market. Naturium's Barrier Bounce is loaded with so many great ingredients for the skin. I'm always impressed when a brand combines ingredients like this and still makes a lightweight formula. It is a little bit more heavy on the skin, more intended for dry skin or overnight use. Don't feel like this is as beneficial to oily skin, but I mean, it's lightweight. Any skin type could use it, but oily skin, I don't think you'll see as many benefits with it. This is more great for when your skin is sensitized, and that's what I keep it on hand for. It has proven to be one of the most effective treatments to rebuild the skin barrier in a very fast way. I don't think I've seen a serum for this price point with the level of ingredients in it, and it worked great for my acne prone skin as well. Like I said, I just keep this on hand as skin barrier replenishing treatment as needed, and that's all I use it for. There are so many treatments on the market for acne, but a formula I feel like is perfectly encapsulated with so many great acne treatments is the Remedy for Pore Size. An amazing blend of not only active base ingredients like retinol and salicylic acid, but green tea, niacinamide, or reducing ingredients that have proven to work amazing for my acne prone skin. All together in a more moisturizing formula, but any skin type would benefit from it. It's super lightweight, meaning it will blend in very nice, absorb well into the skin, and not be too heavy for more oily skin types. However, it is effective at treating acne, at balancing the skin, and for the level of actives that are in here, I didn't experience any sensitivity, and it was a treatment I found I could use every day, but definitely build up to it. It is something that I built up more to and have been using consistently, especially when my skin is going through it. Prequel's multi-quench hydrating serum is more lightweight, perfect for any skin type, an amazing layering step for dry skin. You could start with this product, go in with a heavier cream or a heavier moisturizing serum, and it will really boost the hydration that you get out of your skincare products. Oily skin could just use this and a light gel moisturizer. Hydrating oily skin is super important. I'm more oily in the summer, and it balances my combination skin so well. It's one of my favorite Prequel launches because of the ectoin, because of the polyglutamic acid. Taking a new approach to a hydrating serum and finding soothing ingredients in here as well. Ingredients just really work for my skin. And it's a serum that I keep falling back on in any season because of its lightweight layering ability, and it's what I would ultimately recommend for a hydrating serum at the moment. Peptide moisturizers I find are often more expensive on the market, and I love when a brand combines great anti-aging peptides with soothing and nourishing ingredients along with the formula, because usually peptides are used in anti-aging skincare. That's not my biggest concern, but Stratia's Interface Moisturizer has rosehip oil, licorice root extract, amazing ingredients that have worked well for my acne prone skin, along with hyperpigmentation and rebuilding the skin barrier. Go-to daily moisturizer that to me is viewed as an added bonus with the peptides they've included in here. I like to be preventative with anti-aging. Even if a moisturizer says it is designed for anti-aging, it can be a good, richer cream. I found that this is just a go-to moisturizer that I want to use, and it works well for my acne prone skin. Might as well get the bonus benefits of peptides in it because it's one of those things that I don't focus on as much with anti-aging skincare, but I still like to be preventative with it. This product is the perfect blend of great skin barrier loving ingredients along with the bonus anti-aging benefits. It's also a great lightweight anti-aging moisturizer if you are looking for that. I just can't personally testify for those results. When I'm needing a gel moisturizer, Geek & Gorgeous's Hydration Station is my go-to fallback moisturizer. To make this product under $10 is so impressive. I've never seen a product like this, utilizing ectoin, glycerin, a lot of hydrating ingredients. This is another product that could be a sole moisturizer for combination to oily skin or a lightweight layering step for dry skin. It's a perfect gel texture that is a little bit more moisturizing than the typical gel cream, and I love that aspect of it. It is a holy grail. I have a couple of these on hand all times, and it's something I don't see leaving my skincare routine, especially in the warmer months. Prequel's Urea Advanced Relief Moisturizing Milk is a great body and face moisturizer, utilizing a high concentration of urea with shea butter and great nourishing ingredients. Put this on here for mainly my body. Even though it works great as a face moisturizer, it works even better as a body moisturizer in my opinion. Urea has been one of the only ingredients that has helped combat my dry feet. It helps regulate the skin on my body. It's an easy go-to one-step product after a shower that you get an amazing value for, and that's why I love it so much. I like using this on my face. I love using it on my body. It's the perfect dual product. I just don't use it on my face as often because I don't find I need the ingredients in this moisturizer on my face as often. Not that there's anything wrong with using it regularly, just my personal skin concerns. My body is my favorite place to use this moisturizer. Experiment Softwear Lip Treatment is one of the best I have seen on the market, utilizing a very gentle AHA exfoliant to lightly promote regular exfoliation to the lips. I love using it overnight because it has a lightweight yet really nourishing texture to it. I use it during the day though too because it's not sticky, it's not greasy, and it's not tacky. It's just the perfect consistency to help smooth the lips in a very gentle way, provide a subtle finish to the lips as well that I personally look for. I don't like to look like I'm wearing a heavy lip balm during the day, and this product does that perfectly. At night though is where I feel like it shines because I wake up with my lips feeling super soft. With using this product regularly, it has definitely helped my dry lips. Korean sunscreens always have my heart, and Beauty of Joseon's Aqua Fresh Relief Sun is one of the best sunscreen formulas that I've tried because of the lightweight, easily layerable finish that this leaves, which is super important when it comes to sunscreen. Consistency is key, and applying a sunscreen correctly and adequately in terms of reapplication is super important. That's why it's good to go for a sunscreen that you like and that you gravitate towards. For me, that's the Aqua Fresh sunscreen. That is just such a lovely formula. Lightweight with some balancing ingredients in it that personally worked amazing for my acne prone skin. I thought I loved the original Relief Sun until I tried this, and it was just a game changer. A great value, a super luxurious feeling formula, and super lightweight if you're able to get it. This is what I would recommend starting with if you're wanting to get into Korean sunscreens. Supergoop's Protectint sunscreen is a necessary product on the market. I've seen creators talking about the amazing shade range they have in this. I also like that it is a hybrid formula, making it a little bit more lightweight, and in my opinion, the perfect hybrid tinted sunscreen. It is so nice and lightweight, which is rare for a tinted sunscreen, and it's not greasy. It doesn't leave a heavy finish, and it's one of the tinted sunscreens I actually found I was able to reapply with, which is super rare. Typically they are a little bit heavier, but you're getting that SPF 50 level protection with a really lightweight formula. So it's the perfect daily sunscreen if you are looking for a tinted option, and something that my skin really loves. Has a fairly simple ingredient list that personally works for my acne prone skin as well, which is a plus when it comes to sunscreens. Wrapping up this list with a water resistant sunscreen, the Allies of Skin The One sunscreen is one product that is worth the investment. One way I make this product last is only using it when I need a water resistant sunscreen, because I can't lie, the price point is really up there, but extremely worth it if you're looking for a no finish sunscreen that is water resistant. It utilizes a technology that they describe to evaporate from the face. Obviously still giving you a sun protection at an SPF 50 level, but when they say it evaporates, it just means it leaves no finish. It's a clear sunscreen as well, so if you struggle with white cast from other sunscreens, this has zero white cast, not like the typical clear gel texture that I've seen with some other formulas. It's more of a product for when you're just looking for a not even there water resistant sunscreen, which was a first of its kind from the other water resistant sunscreens I have tried at the time, and that's why it's remained consistent in my routine. Like I said, there are other products that I still love. These are just the ones that are currently in my rotation. The weather is warmer right now, so that impacts what products I'm using. I'm wanting to make more content following up on my reviews because I feel like that's more of a first impression with the product. These videos are more designed to tell you what I'm still loving and what I use daily. And my routines that I fall back on, these are those current products. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.